Hi everyone, welcome to Ballet Express. Today we are going to be taking you through the basics of how to do a plie.
Yes, so James is going to take it away with all of you now.
Okay, so first things first, what does a plie mean? Well, a plie means bend. So we are going to bend our legs. So what we need to do is we need to go into our first position and really make sure that we are really pulling in with our hamstrings and our adductors are working forward while we hold our legs. Then you're going to do a demi plie. You bend your legs, so demi's half. You go as far as you can without lifting your heels off the ground. If you feel like they've lifted off the ground, you've gone too far. You have to keep them on the ground and then straighten your legs. While we do this, we have to always think that while we are in our first position, your knees are going over your toes as you bend, and your pelvis is going directly down to the center between your heels. Okay. A very good exercise to practice is to just do 4 demi plies really slowly in a row. So here we go. Really make sure that as we bend down, we're controlling all of our muscles. So you bend 1, 2, 3, 4, and then pushing up 1, 2, 3, and 4. Really make sure that we have straight legs in our fully extended position. And we do that 2 times. 2, 3, 4, and up. 2, 3, 4. Third time. And up. And fourth time. And up. 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to take this to the second position. So how we do this in ballet is we do a tendu and put our foot down to second, or you can just take your legs second. Make sure you're still holding and rotating your legs in your nice turn-out position, and off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we go second time. And up. And third time. And up. And fourth time. And up. 2, 3, 4. The next position we're going to do that in is a fourth position. So fourth position is we have our nice turn out and we take our leg about a foot away. So if you put your foot in front like this, you'll be able to put your feet into your fourth position. And it has to be just like your fifth, it has to be crossed. A very nice and crossed position. So off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and up. 2, 3, 4. As we go down, really make sure that you're in between both legs with your heels not coming off the ground. Third time. And up. And fourth time. And up. Our next position is going to be in our fifth position. Off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, up. 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and up. 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, up. 2, 3, 4. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and up. 2, 3, 4. Really simple way of working. You can then now do this to the left side. And if you're not feeling any kind of burn, repeat and do it over and over and over again. Because as dancers, you always have to practice again and again and again. So that is it for plies today. We hope you've enjoyed, and if you have, like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.